For over 75 years, Buckland has been working to help companies across the world experience global trade in a better way. To be sure your individual requirements are met and your shipping concerns are always getting the personal attention that they deserve, we employ a unique approach to global trade that focuses on combining trusted technologies and talented people that know how to use them. As a customer-focused company, we provide you with a single source of unmatched Canadian, U.S., and Mexican customs brokerage, international freight forwarding and logistics, transportation, warehousing and distribution, trade technology solutions, and international trade compliance and consulting. Across a range of industries, we keep your goods moving forward, from automotive to manufacturing and food and beverage. Buckland is proud to serve our clients across North America and beyond from our locations across Canada, the United States, and most recently in Mexico. Buckland is dedicated to 3 key tenets to allow us to offer dependable service to our clients. People. We invest in the development and retention of key personnel and believe that ongoing improvements drive benefit for all of our customers. Process. We regularly review and iterate to improve our processes to increase our levels of compliance quality and responsibly manage our processing efficiency. Technology. At Buckland, we provide dynamic IT support to our customers through the use of innovative tools created specifically for the business of logistics. Manage your business more efficiently and in real time with visibility of trade data and the ability to manipulate and report your activity. We promise to continually produce intuitive and automated software that can be easily integrated and relied upon to bring simplicity to this complicated industry. We believe in sharing our knowledge and experience gained over 75 years with our clients and partners. We keep you informed and provide valuable resources with the Beyond Borders podcast, our weekly email newsletter, topical live and on-demand webinars, and digital learning guides. See your next move differently with Buckland.